Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have goddess provisions for November. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so November's goddess provisions just arrived. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have. This month they do have it in the bigger box. Normally that means we have a bigger product inside that doesn't fit in the other box. So I'm really excited to see what is going to be in here. So when you first open it up, that's what it looks like right there. And the card is somewhere down inside here. So let me dump this stuff out so I can get to the card. So there's the card that's down inside. The moon is my muse. Very pretty artwork. When you open this up, it will go over the different products and it'll give you the pricing. Do we have a, no, we do not have a digital bonus this month. Normally there's a digital downloaded bonus and there has a value and that adds to the value of the box, but they're just not doing things that they used to do before. So it's not on here either. Let's go ahead and just start seeing what's in here. So the first thing is right on the top. I do like their little boxes. When they make them themselves, they are making these really cute like gift boxes. So if it is something that you do receive and it just doesn't tickle your fancy, it's already kind of like gift ready that you can gift it to another. This looks like it's going to be a mug. It's on both sides and it says Lunar and Solar Ceramic Mug. Nourish your mind, body, and spirit with a ritual brew. May the stars align and your dreams become reality. So let's see what this guy looks like. Oh, she tiny. This would be good maybe for tea, but I could not use this for coffee because I always make like a double shot latte and it would not all fit in this little cup. Plus, I'm not a huge gold person, so I know the perfect person that I'm going to gift this to, but there is the mug. And that's on the back. So it says moon gazing on the front and then daydreaming on the back. It does have Goddess Provisions logo. And then there's that. So this one says it's valued for $22. I wouldn't pay $22 for a small little tea mug, but that's my own personal opinion. Enjoy your favorite herbal brew or morning coffee in this stellar mug. Again, I couldn't put my coffee in here. Set an intention and stir your drink clockwise for a magical boost to attract what you desire. Again, this would be a perfect tea mug unless you're not a huge coffee drinker, but it is a very small mug, you know, so it would be good for tea, or if you use it to put like pins or something in, you could always repurpose it if you would like, but it is a little too small for me, so I will go ahead and put it right back in the box. Again, it's nice and giftable. So now we have, it says, live by the sun, love by the moon. Ooh, I love sun and moon. Hang in a sunny window to be reminded of the magical light orbiting around you at all times. Okay, so it's a crescent moon rainbow maker, birchwood and clear quartz crystals. Okay, so that sounds neat. Ooh, look at the moon phase. That's cool. So this guy right here is valued for $22. It does come with this. Ooh, okay, so this is really pretty and she's a little heavy. This right here is heavy because the wood is not. The wood has an engraving and it says shine your light. Super cute. And then you have this that hangs to give you some colorage on your walls. You do have a few little things here and then this would be where you hang it. So if you do use this, you would hang it like that. And this is like a light lavender color. That's super pretty though. I can't wait to see what lights come off of it from the sun that comes in the window when I hang it up. That is super pretty. I really do like that. So there's this guy. Next we have is a Crystal Dreams pillowcase. Pillowcase with crystal pocket, rose quartz. You guys know me with pillowcases. I have king size. It says follow your dreams. Tuck your favorite crystals and herbs into the inside pocket. Now that's neat. That's really neat that there's a little pocket so you can put that in there. Choose those that perform peaceful rest, dream recall, visions, and even astral travel while you sleep. So it looks like there'll be a little pocket where you can put stuff in, and there's probably like a moon or something on this pillowcase. I will show you on the side what it looks like from their Instagram, but I don't want to unroll this because then I probably won't be able to get it right back in there. But I do really like that there's a pocket, like a crystal pocket in the pillowcase. So that's definitely different, and that's something that any other pillowcase that I've received does not have. So this says Crystal Dreams Pillowcase, valued for $22. Is everything $22 this month? Slip into sweet dreams with this queen-sized crystal vegan silk pillowcase. Now, another thing that I just want to point out, this one is a queen size, so that is bigger than any other one. Every other one is just the normal standard, like twin size little standard pillowcase. I've never even seen one go to a queen, so I do appreciate that it is a larger sized pillowcase for it. So I just wanted to say that. The pocket inside can be used to hold crystals and herbs to help promote peaceful sleep. Wash in cold water and hang to dry. Again, valued for $22. And most of these products, when they are by Goddess Provisions, you can purchase it directly from their website. They do have an online store. You don't need a subscription. You can purchase individual decks, crystals, candles, items, all kinds of things directly from their online shop. So I'm sure that's where that will be. Now we are getting another deck now. This is Series 1 Oracle Trading Cards, Build Your Own Deck, Collector's Edition. This would be like the third one now that we've received from here. And I thought they were going to start doing this like every month, and then we could build our own deck that way. But then like you go months without seeing them, and then one will pop up again. So I don't know what their intentions are and like how soon they're going to be putting these out. But they do have all the matching backs are the same. So yeah, these are definitely different. Last one had like all the zodiac signs, and the ones before that had something else too. I think they were crystals. So this one you have one for the new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, and then the last one. So there's 8. So now there's 3 different ones so far that we can put together. With 8 on each one. So you do have that. These right here are valued for $8. Finally, something that wasn't $22. These are valued for $8. It says, send your questions to the stars and be led by the light of the moon. Intuitively pull a card and discover which moon phase can offer guidance with your current situation. Enjoy your limited edition Goddess Provisions trading cards. Collect them all and share the magic with another goddess when it feels right. Find more cards to expand your deck at has their website, Oracle Trading Cards. So, yep, you can purchase these from their site as well. All right, so now we have is something down in here. It says new moon. Ooh, I love anything with the moon. I'm just so intrigued by anything by the moon. This is valued for $20. It's a new moon roll-on. Create new beginnings and renew your energy with this essential oil blend of lavender, chamomile, lemongrass, peppermint, and rosemary. And as much as I love the moon, I will go ahead and pass this down. I'm going to put it with the other stuff for my friend because she loves the moon too. But this is a $20 value, and with that lavender situation in there, I'm not going to be rollerballering this with lavender because then I'll get a migraine. Plus, I just can't stand the smell of lavender to begin with. So this right here I will save for her, but that is neat that they do have a new moon rollerball. I just wish there wasn't lavender in it. So there's that. I'm not even going to open it. It's going to stay in this little plastic. So now we have the crystal for the month. Let me get it out. So that's what it looks like. It says it is a raw strawberry quartz. It's valued for $8. Channel the moon's nurturing energy and welcome peace into your heart. The supporting and healing stone will remind you that you are worthy of divine love. That is really pretty though. I like that. And that was called the raw strawberry quartz. So I like that. Now there's one item left in here, and this is in this little roll thing here. So let's see what this is. Oh, yay. Okay, so last year we got one for 2021. It was a moon calendar. I think it was a little bit bigger than this one though. I thought it was a little bit bigger, but now we have one for 2022. So that is really neat. This is valued for $25. So it says 2022 Lunar Calendar. Never miss an opportunity to manifest with the moon and set your dreams into motion with the help of this yearly lunar calendar. It's valued again at $25, and you can use New Life to save 33% off at seedofcreation.com. There's, ooh, it looks like it's like shiny. The purple, it looked like it was like holographic for a second, the middle. But now you can go through the whole year and you can see what moons are when. And yeah, I wish it would have just given us a little stick to, you know, because that's what's supposed to be in here. Was there one in last year's? No, I would say I could take the one out of last year's, but there wasn't in there. But there's that. So that is everything that came in this November box. You have this calendar, which I really do like. You have this for the monthly crystal, which I do like. I'm loving this guy here. I don't know if I'm going to hang it in my window or if I'm just going to hang it in my bedroom. I'm not quite sure, but I really, really like this. We do have the oracle cards to add to the other collection, so that's neat. And then we have a pillowcase. You have a moon rollerball and then a mug. And all these three I'm going to give to my friend. And that is everything. All right, you guys, so comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the products that they put in this November box? I'm glad that it's at least better than last month. Last month just seems like it was way geared towards the kids with that cheap little yes or no little keychain thing. It just, last month was, to me, was not a good month. This month, I feel like they are finally going back on track. It just, there's just some items that I personally know I wouldn't use, so I'm going to pass them down to my friend. But the other ones I absolutely do really like. So there's my opinion. So if you want a little bit more information about Goddess Provisions, I will let you know right about now. I do have them linked down below that will take you to their site. Again, you can purchase individual items from their shop, or you can go to the subscription. You get 5 to 7 full-size products per box, typically between $80 to $100 of Goddess goodies. There's free shipping to the United States. They do ship worldwide. Last time I checked, it was $15 to Canada and $25 international. This box is $33 per month if you just do month to month, but you can get it as low as $27.75 if you go to a full 12-month prepaid plan. Everything in the box is always cruelty-free and vegan. You can pause or cancel at any given time. And again, you get 5 to 7 products of crystals, aromatherapy, apothecary, beauty, spiritual growth tools, superfood snacks, teas, that kind of thing. And yeah. So again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.